Good Thursday morning. Today we're doing a sausage comparison video. Pork sausages versus veggie sausages. Say that 3 times fast. These are my favorite. I may be a little biased, but I'm very open-minded. Ingredients. Practically none in this. Pork, salt, spices. Pork, salt, spices. Whoa. Ingredient list. Whoa. Ingredient list. That's what you get for eating vegetables. Cooking methods. Cook covered over medium-high heat with 3 tablespoons of water for 4 minutes. Remove cover and cook for 6 to 8 minutes if thawed. 8 to 10 minutes if frozen. To an internal temperature of 165. Turn frequently for even browning. Who sticks a temperature thermometer in these? Whoa! We've got many options for cooking these. You can cook them in a skillet, preheat non-stick skillet, medium heat. Lightly spray skillet with cooking oil. Place frozen links in skillet. Hey! Cook links over medium heat for 12 to 13 minutes. In the oven. Preheat oven to 375. Place frozen links on a baking sheet. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes. In the microwave. Place frozen links on a microwave plate. Microwave on high until heated. See microwave times listed. 2 sausage links. 1 minute. 1 to 1.5 minutes. We're going to do both with this. We're going to nuke it for a little bit and then we're going to finish it in the skillet. 12 to 13 minutes. Let's make some sausage.
Bubbling, bubbling, bubbling.
I really like dipping the sausage in egg yolk. That will be the ultimate test for me. I've never had MorningStar. Let's try one. MorningStar. It's different. Breaks apart very easy. Let's try another bite. I watched a video where they said they really tasted the spices. I might be underwhelmed. I don't know. It does fall apart in your mouth. It's got a weird flavor. I'm not sure it has a breakfast sausage flavor. Let's try a piece with some egg yolk. When I cut it, it wants to fall apart into pieces. I don't like that. But let's try it with some egg yolk. It's definitely better with egg yolk. Jones! More of that sausage seasoning that it's got the spices that you're familiar with, and it's harder, it's chewier, it's got more bite. Let's go for some egg yolk. Best sausages around, really. Honestly. We gotta check something. We gotta check sodium. I didn't check the sodium. 470 milligrams. About 4 servings per container. Serving size 3. So I guess 3 links at 470. Let's see. Serving size 2 links. Sodium is 300. I think if they worked on the spices, I'm not getting the proper spices. Well, it certainly breaks easy. All right, one more bite. Couple more bites. I kind of like it, but it's got a weird flavor. You think they could mimic the seasoning? I'm not getting... Oh, let's try with a piece of egg. The other test is to have it with a piece of egg. I think it's just lacking flavor. It's a very mild flavor. Maybe they could pump up the flavor a little bit. I'm not talking meat flavor, I'm talking spices. There's so much more flavor. I mean, it's appealing by eye. The texture's okay in the mouth. It just seems to lack flavor to me. But you think after all this time, you'd be able to get spices right. I am a little disappointed. I thought they would have more sausage flavor. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.